What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as some of you know, Memorial Day is coming up. And so, today I am going to show you how to grill some chicken on the Barbie. And as some of you know, a lot of people like to barbecue on Memorial Day. So, I figured grilling some chicken on the Barbie would be a good call for today's cooking video. So, let's go over the ingredients. So in order to marinate chicken on the grill, you're going to need some frozen, unbreaded chicken breast, or if you want to just use thawed. And you can use any package of marinade, or some pre-made marinade, or you can make it yourself. For this video, I'm going to be using this McCormick Grill Mates Mojito Lime Marinade Mix. If you want to know how to make marinade, be sure to check out my cooking video on how to make steak. So, let's get started. So, first things first, if your chicken is frozen, you need about 2 pounds of chicken, but if it's frozen, be sure to pop them in the microwave on auto defrost. I'm going to put on auto defrost number 3. So yeah, I'm going to pop this chicken in the microwave on auto defrost and let the chicken thaw. Alright, so for this part you're going to need a mixing bowl as well as a small cup or so, and you'll need a gallon-sized plastic bag. So on the Grill Mates that I'm going to be using, I need to mix in the marinade mix along with 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of apple cider apple cider vinegar or white vinegar into this bowl. So I mixed in the marinade mix, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. So now I'm going to mix this up. So I'm going to make sure I mix this up adequately. So that is how your marinade should look like. So now you got to also take 2 tablespoons out of here and put it in the smaller cup or smaller bowl, because you'll need the extra 2 tablespoons for basting later on. All right, so the chicken has been thawed out. Now we're gonna drain the juices down the sink, because remember what I said about handling raw chicken you gotta wash your hands a lot when you handle raw chicken, because you could catch salmonella, and believe me, you do not want to face the consequences and catch salmonella. It is not a good thing to catch. So after you put the chicken in the bag, you're gonna take this big bowl with whatever marinade is in there. You're gonna dump it in the bag, and you're gonna squish it all up. So next you're going to squish around the marinade in the bag until the chicken is thoroughly marinated. And then after that is done and over with, you're going to put the chicken in the fridge for 15 minutes. You're going to let it sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes. Alright, so while we're waiting for our marinade for our chicken to soak up the marinade, we're going to preheat our grill to high heat. Since our igniter doesn't work, I got to use this lighter. There we go. And give the grill some time to heat up. And just to make sure that the chicken sticks when we cook, I'm going to spray down the entire grill, just to make sure that the chicken doesn't stick. Okay, so our 15 minutes are up. I'm going to put the chicken on this plate. I'm going to take it outside and put her on the grill. Alright, so I got all the chicken on the grill. I'm going to shut this and let it cook for 11 minutes. So the chicken appears to be cooking a whole lot faster than I thought. So I'm going to flip the chicken over, and then here's where our remaining marinade comes in after I flip this. So next you're going to take whatever marinade you have left, and you need a basting brush. You're going to take whatever's left, and you're going to baste the rest of the chicken with the brush. Careful. Ah, one of them got stuck in the grill. Oh well. So it appears the chicken appears to be cooking a whole lot faster than I thought, like I always said. So after you let the remaining marinade baste for about 3 minutes or so, depending on how hot you have your grill, you're gonna turn off the burners and take the chicken off the grill. Ooh, that looks pretty well done. Okay, so this is how the final product should look like. So I'm going to sample a piece of the chicken and see how it turned out. Turned out surprisingly well done. So that's how you marinate chicken and grill it then grill it. So, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.